Dance Universe, we have here on the show Joshua together with Coach Angel and of course my maring Thea. Coach Angel, I see you're happy. Masaya ka sa naging performance nila. Na-hit ba nila lahat ng spot? Oh, ayun!
Na-hit naman nila lahat ng spot. Oo. Actually, hindi ko mapigilan. Usually kasi pagka nanonood ako, syempre, may factor doon na parang tinitignan mo kung magagawa ba nila tong part na to, ganyan-ganyan. Pero while they were performing, nakangiti na lang ako. Parang hindi ko na naiisip. Oo, nadala ako, gano'n. Hindi ko na naiisip na parang, oh, eto na. Parang gano'n. Because naramdaman ko yung saya or yung feeling na pinaparamdam nyo while you guys were performing it.
Kaya Joshua, saan naman kayo nahirapan doon sa dance number na yun?
Sa dance namin, it's more of, sobrang sanay ko kasi mag-flex ng wrist and kamay. Kasi sa street and hip-hop, lagi siyang almost always flexing siya. So mahirap mag-let go.
Dapat sa contemporary ba flowing lang?
Yung tip ni Coach Angel was like, dapat may tension to reach as into the fingers siya. Eh, ang hirap. Kasi,
But it's supposed to look soft,
Yeah.
even though there's tensions.
may energy
So,
siya, pero kailangan grace.
Kayo na lang mag-figure out kung paano yung
Diba ang
gagawin
hirap?
din.
Hirap ng isipin.
Yung tingin talaga ni Coach Angel, parang tama ba yung mga sinasabi?
Siyempre. Example, bibigyan mo ng reach. Yes.
Oh, diba? Soft pero may...
Hirap nun.
At tuturuan pa kayo ni Coach Angel ng pang showdown mamaya.
Ay, oo.
Just in case.
Just in
Just in case.
Yes. I-claim na natin, manifesting positive energy.
Yes.
Congrats,
Thank you,
guys.
guys.
Salamat.